Okay, so today I'm going to show you a very simple way to clean your copper bracelets. And if you know, and if you are one of those people that follow the DIY and stuff, and you're going to be wearing them, it's going to get dirty. This is the one that I tested before. Okay, this is the one in the video with the testing video. These are the one that is get dark when I wear them. See how they get dark? Like that. Okay, this one, when I cleaned it, but I didn't clean here yet because I wanted to do the video, and that's a little cleaner. But I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to do it. One, get a container like this, around, okay, or a square container. Either one will work. Okay, the round one is for the big ones, and you can actually put them in there too if you want. Then you're going to use vinegar. At $1 vinegar, just cleaning vinegar. Okay, and you're going to put a bunch of them in there. Remember, this is when you're in this journey, make sure to get cleaning vinegar and save it for your copper only, okay, or cleaning only. Okay, and no, I'm not advertising for anyone. Put them all in there. Close the lid. And just shake the hell out of it. And that's it. That's all you have to do. Leave it for a little while, okay? When you do this, it only takes a few minutes. But if you want it to be a long time, okay, before I go further, shrink tube. You see that? That's called marine shrink tube. Why? Because they have glue in it. This is why I suggest in my videos, I plan everything ahead of time. People just don't know it. But I said to get marine shrink tube. That way they have glue in them. It will hold everything better. And also too, when during cleaning like this, it doesn't harm the bracelet either. Yep. And that's it. That's all you have to do. Okay? And it's easy as that. You can see how dirty it is already. Oh, sorry. Out of camera. See how dirty that is already? So all you have to do is less than 5 minutes. Just keep shaking it. Then, once you're done, open it. Get a fiber towel. And look how nice they are. Shiny and new again. Look how bright that is. Okay? Let me grab a few more. This one here going to take a little while. Look how bright these are. Some of these going to have to take a while. Look at my other cuff. Let's do this one before I go. And that's only a few minutes. I didn't pause the camera. I didn't do anything. Look how bright it is. Yep. So that's all you have to do, just vinegar. Go to the dollar store or anywhere you can find vinegar, cleaning vinegar. And just get a bottle. And reserve this for your copper bracelet. Yes, you can reuse that again. Put them in a different jar. And you can clean it again. Again and again and again, to be honest. And look how nice that is. See how nice and bright that is? Okay. And all there is, right here. That's all you need. Okay? Other than that, that's about it on this video. I will see you in the next video.